If you cover its logo, do you think it's a new Italian supercar which costs 10 million? No, it's Yangwang Hyundai supercar which made by China. It's a giant supercar with a length of 1.96 meters. In light of the shape, it's low noise, and the side lights. Isn't it what you need for speed? A car in the game, back out is rare. You may choose a big gooseneck spoiler, so you may drive it legally. The shining decorative straps and the active diffuser at its rear, which is made of carbon fiber. Watching it from 45 degrees, it does look like a supercar of 10 million. Its technologies are much better than the used car like Lamborghini Marek or the new supercar like Ferrari. First, it has 4 electric motors, which has 240 kWh each, so the 4 engines can enable a supercar to turn around in situ. Its 4 wheels can be controlled separately. Third, the suspension is composed of springs and hydraulic system, and each system is managed individually. The carbon ceramic brake disc and the system credit edge were used to import it with purchase limits, but now BYD has developed the carbon ceramic brake system. The body is better than other supercars. The area I'm showing you is an integrated, high-quality domestic body which is made of carbon fiber. What inside is an egg-shaped drug carbon structure. Its battery is just 80 kWh. The new BYD Blade battery, which has a fast charging port on both sides. If they all connect, how fast could the charging speed of the 800-volt structure be? Then the door is closer more than $1 million for the car because of the battery down here. Its chassis a bit high. If I get inside like this, it may hit my head. When I step on the brake steadily, the door lowers down. The decoration inside is nothing special, no light colors. I criticize the manufacturer already. Too many buttons on the wheel and the logo is a bit big. Anyways, there are many things like the phone recharger and the storage places. A supercar of day life. After watching it, if I give you $1 million, will you buy an old Ferrari or Lamborghini or a Yangwang Hyundai supercar?